What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So this is a huge update. Price changes. What you should know. Starting March 9th, that is today, we're increasing rider rates in Baton Rouge. This will not impact your per trip earnings. Of course not. You can see your rates in the fares section of your partner dashboard. Raising rider rates lets us continue to improve the app, provide better support, and develop features that help you make the most of your time on the road. Well, isn't that a slap in the face? I'd like to give a big thanks to Nolan Hodges for sending this to me. Shout out to him. Thank you so much for giving this to me. This is ridiculous. I have been told many times by people that know that rates will not be going up. At least not for drivers. But they never said rates wouldn't be going up for the passengers. This is, Nolan said this has to stop. And I agree. This has to stop. When is it going to stop? When drivers stop driving. No, I'm not inciting a strike. Nothing like that. You want to know when this is going to stop? It's going to stop when you stop. When you find something else to do besides Uber, this will stop. And you won't have to worry about it anymore. Until then, this is the way it is. Now, does Uber need to become profitable? Of course they do. They're not going to survive if they don't. But you got to do better by drivers. You have to. I really believe that eventually drivers are going to get fed up and they're just going to stop driving. And that could tank Uber quicker than anything. Could wipe them out. I almost couldn't believe this when I saw it. It really is just, it's another huge slap in the face. After 180 days of change, you showed a good initiative, and then you come back and you send a letter to your drivers saying, by the way, we're increasing rates to our passengers, but we're not paying you anymore. I mean, you've already increased your booking fee multiple times. You've dropped driver rates multiple times. Now you've implemented upfront pricing where you charge whatever you want and give the driver the bare minimum. How many times are they going to do this and drivers just sit there and go, give me more, please give me more? It's disappointing. I am truly disappointed in Uber. I really am. This is not the company that I started with back in 2013. Sad times. Do me a favor, comment below. Tell me what your thoughts are on this. This is Baton Rouge, so anybody from Baton Rouge, if you can confirm or deny this, that you got this notification, let us know. And for the rest of you out there, when is enough enough? When are you going to stop? Because this is probably coming to a market near you soon. Do me a favor, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, even though you're disappointed in it, I know. Giving me a thumbs down sucks because it's like shooting the messenger. Don't give it a thumbs down because you don't like what the video's about. Give it a thumbs up because I brought this to you before anybody else. And click that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that bell so you get notified when something like this pops up. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there.